Autopilot Enterprise Marketing Hub app. The pros, the cons. If your enterprise wants to automate marketing campaigns and improve customer journeys, Autopilot Enterprise Marketing Hub promises to simplify and scale your efforts, but does it really deliver? On the positive side, Autopilot provides visual journey mapping, multi-channel automation, and customer segmentation tools that help teams create personalized campaigns. Its standout feature is the intuitive drag-and-drop interface for building customer journeys, making it easier for marketing teams to plan complex campaigns. Integration with CRM systems, email platforms, and analytics tools ensures campaigns are connected across channels. Enterprises often see increased engagement and improved lead nurturing when leveraging Autopilot's automation features. However, there are some drawbacks. Customization for highly complex workflows can be limited, and advanced analytics may require additional configuration. Enterprise plans are priced higher, and onboarding large teams can take time to ensure consistent use. Additionally, while automation is powerful, human oversight is necessary to maintain personalization and strategic targeting. Most people get this wrong. They assume that automation alone drives customer engagement. The surprising truth is that Autopilot works best when marketing teams combine its automation tools with clear strategy and creative messaging. Automation enhances efficiency, but thoughtful execution drives results. In conclusion, Autopilot Enterprise Marketing Hub app is a strong solution for enterprises seeking to streamline marketing campaigns, improve customer journeys, and increase engagement. Its visual journey mapping, multi-channel automation, and integrations provide teams with scalable, efficient tools, but success depends on combining automation with strategy and oversight. For enterprises ready to optimize marketing at scale, Autopilot offers a reliable and intelligent platform.